Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this video, I'm breaking down a super important part of your trading journey, and that is how to deposit money into MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Okay, this is one of the first steps every trader has to take, and I'm going to make it as easy as possible for you. So if you've ever been confused about how to fund your trading account, this video is exactly what you need. All right, let us get straight to it. Before anything else, you need a trading account with a broker that supports MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. All right. Some of the most popular brokers include IC Markets, FXNS, HFM, FX Pro, and so on. So make sure your broker is regulated. Okay. Make sure that your broker is regulated, offers fast deposits, and supports the payment method you want to use. Once you register and verify your account, you'll be ready for the next step. Now, the next step is to log into the broker dashboard. You head over to your broker's website. Of course, you cannot fund your account from the MetaTrader platform itself because this is just a trading platform. Your funding has to be from your broker. You have to fund your account from your broker's website. Then you come back to MetaTrader to trade, to execute your trades. Okay, so you have to head on to your broker's website, you log into your dashboard, your client area, you look for the deposit button or funds section, whatever the name they call it there. Every broker's layout is different or it could be slightly different, okay? But the process is mostly the same. So just look for where the deposit section is. You click on the deposit button and you'll see a list of available payment methods, okay? So once you have chosen your payment method, choose the method that works best for you. Most brokers offer options like credit or debit cards, bank wire transfers, e-wallets like Skrill, Neteller, or even crypto in some cases. Select your currency, enter the amount you want to deposit, and follow the instructions provided. Some methods process instantly, while others like bank transfers can take 1 to 3 business days, right? So just choose what fits your needs best. Okay, now all those processes are done on your broker's website, right? That is the reason why I am just describing it, because it depends on how your broker dashboard looks like. Okay, so just ensure that you double check the platform type. Once you are now ready to link your trading account, because after you've completed the payment, you have to select the correct trading account, especially if you have both MT4 and MT5 accounts under the same broker. So just double check the platform type, leverage settings, and currency before confirming. Once the deposit is complete, the funds should reflect in your broker dashboard and shortly after in your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 terminal. It depends on how your broker functions, with respect to deposits. Some brokers might use a wallet. After you fund your wallet, then you have to transfer the money to the particular trading account that you want. Okay, so depending on how your broker's interface is. Okay, so once you have successfully funded your trading account, then you confirm in MT4 or MT5. Okay, open your MT4 or MT5 platform. You log in using your broker's server details. Of course, you go to file, you log into trade account, and you fill in the details. All right, your account number and your password, and ensure that the server is correct. Once you are in, check the balance. Once you've logged in successfully, check the balance at the bottom of the terminal window. You just view the terminal if you want to do that. Okay, so after you have this is a demo account, by the way. So you fund your account, all right, then you confirm from the terminal window, okay, and then so you check your balance at the terminal window. If deposit was successful, you see your updated balance right there. Now you are ready to start analyzing the market and placing trades. Now, some tips for you, some final tips. Always double check your account number before depositing. Okay, it's actually important so that you do not make a mistake. All right, and also avoid using third-party cards or payment accounts to prevent delays. If you want to fund your account, ensure that you are sending the money from your own bank account. All right, do not fund using a third-party account to avoid delays. Ensure that the name that you are, the name of the account from which you are transferring the funds corresponds with the name of the trading account. All right, there should be, that correspondence. The name should be the same, basically. All right, and then if your deposit does not show up after a few hours, you can reach out to your broker's support team. Okay, your broker's contact details should be available on the website, so you can just reach out to them, perhaps via email, all right, and or via call, whatever method is allowed. You reach out to them. If you don't get your deposit within the specified time given for that particular deposit method, all right, so depending on the deposit method, the time that it takes for the deposit to reflect might be different. So your broker ideally should specify the time that it usually will take before your deposit is reflected. So if that time elapses and you haven't found your deposit yet, you can contact the support team. All right, and that is it, guys. You've just learned how to deposit money into MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. It's quick, it's secure, and stress-free. Remember that you are sending the money not to your MetaTrader 4, not to your MetaTrader 5. Rather, you are funding it through your broker's website. All right, make sure that you do not get scammed. You do not need anybody to do that for you. All you have to do is log into your dashboard, go to the deposit section, make sure that you get the account details correctly. Make sure that you get both the the account details that you were sending to and whatever extra information that is needed. Make sure that you get everything correctly to avoid loss of funds and to avoid delays. All right, so if this video helped you out, do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more trading tips, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any updates. I've got more guides like this coming your way soon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.